birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray!
Happy birthday, dear me. Happy birthday to me.
Yay!
It's peacock feathers.
Hello.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
I thought this, she's always talking about the peacocks.
Thank you, Gerald.
Oh, that's
Look, I should be
lovely.
swathed in pink.
Very lovely. Wow.
I bet you wish it was your birthday every
That
day.
is
I
beautiful,
do.
isn't
This
it?
is from Tess. It's absolutely
It's
beautiful.
beautiful.
That on straight away. Ooh, very exciting straight away. I love the bag.
Do you remember at Christmas
Two
time when
tin
she was a baby?
openers.
She used to just look at them, she wouldn't open them.
No.
She used to look at the parcels. Say, Stephanie, they're for you
That's a
to
bit of
open.
fun.
But I don't get too excited.
I'm extremely excited, Mummy. My hopes are very high. What? What? How does it? What?
How unusual.
A cape?
But I don't really know.
A poncho?
It's like
A poncho.
Okay, you have to show me.
oh yeah, you see, you can
Oh,
do all
yes.
sorts of things to it. You can wear it like that.
And then can you show us how to wear
That's a
this?
little
please?
scarf
Show us how to wear that.
that you
please,
can
Mummy.
put around your head.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Oh yeah, that's
You
nice.
can
so
do
it
what you
works.
like with it.
Well, I'm going to try and do all of those things.
What? All these things?
Yes.
Wow, nice colors. This looks like your bed. You should wear it in your bed. Like this. Like a princess. Okay.
Or like a nun, if you put it up on your head.
Yeah, that could be a great bed
Can I have
jacket.
some tea, please?
She's fun.
All of the workshop guests have left, so the house is way too quiet today. But we won't be without music because a really good friend of mine is a concert pianist, Cyril Huvé, and he's performing a concert in the Chateau de Chaumont in the Loire. So we've been invited to go and watch him and also to visit the chateau and the gardens. And I can't wait.
Est-ce que c'est bon? Oh, regarde, ils font des machins.
Wow.
So pretty!
So pretty.
So pretty!
This is a great road trip. So here is Cyril. We are going to see him play now. Why aren't the gardens of Lalande like this? Oh, because I don't do any gardening. Oh yeah, I remember now.
That's a castle.
That's a proper castle. Are you saying Lalande isn't a proper castle, Juliette? Do you want a place to sleep tonight?
Yeah. No,
Be very, very careful what you say
That
right
is
now.
a beautiful castle.
Here they are.
Hello.
Hello. It was beautiful. Are you happy?
Yes. It's a special link between the ear and the eye. So it's a
All the pleasures in life.
yes.
So you had the pictures first and then chose the pieces
Yes.
of music.
Yes.
So it's beautiful.
The pictures are really gorgeous.
Did you enjoy the concert?
I liked it a lot.
Yes, me
Yeah.
too.
Everybody said it at the end, like the association of the sound and the picture, it was really perfect. It was really very nice. And you liked a lot the...
I liked the choice of the musical program in between Debussy and mostly the finish was with Beethoven.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
It was beautiful. It was so. It's just like here. It sounded just like the beauty here.
This stunning chateau has had a history marked by very powerful women. In the 16th century, it belonged to Catherine de Medici, who was the wife of Henri II of France. But Catherine wasn't satisfied with this chateau because her greatest rival, Diane de Poitiers, owned an even more beautiful one, the Chateau de Chenonceau. Diane was a celebrated beauty who'd become the king's mistress when he was only 16 years old and she was 35, and she remained his mistress until his death 25 years later. so she should probably be the patron saint of toy boys. Catherine hated Diane, and as soon as the king died, she forced her to swap the Chateau de Chenonceau for this chateau, and so Diane moved here. But really, it doesn't seem a bad deal. It's really so gorgeous. Now I'm heading to the part of the castle that was lived in by a fabulously wealthy heiress in the 19th century. This is the Princesse de Broglie, who inherited a vast sum from her father's sugar fortune and bought this entire chateau when she was only 17 years old. She lived in it with her husband, the Prince de Broglie, and they had fabulous parties. There was Proust here, Sarah Bernhardt, Poulenc. One of their friends, the Maharaja, even gave them an elephant that lived here. I wish I could go back in time and see the parties. Whoa, and as for the chapel, I have never seen anything like it. They filled it with this modern arrangement of dried flowers and various objects. But most excitingly, we've spotted a Furby.
Where's the Furby? I know. Oh, right in the corner. There's the Furby. Without shoes.
I want to sit in the box. This is what we need at Lalande.
I totally agree.
Just outside the kitchen. And then we can escape after cooking
And just
and just sleep in the little box. And then no one can see us as well, so it's quite private. We can have a good gossip.
we can hide from Isabelle.
And Percy can hide in here as well.
Where? Percy can come with us in here. Just sit and hide from Isabelle.
We're going to spend the rest of the evening living in the little box.
The light is pretty here.
Wait, food, please.
Oh, that's a good point. The thought of food is the only thing that could get me out of this
Because you are
box.
both very hungry, right?
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
Yes. Ah.
Mango, coriander and ginger. Mmm. I want to be inside it. Why are we here on the ground?
Oh yeah, it's so lovely.
This has been the perfect birthday in the most beautiful place with the nicest people and gorgeous music. But the only difference is next time we want to be going up in that balloon.